reason we went was for our father. Room में तो I don't know about myself, like Zara तो बिल्कुल बच्ची लगती है. तो
like when I go then think कि हम लोग एक बच्चे 2 लड़कियां आदमी राजस्थान से मेरे पूरे like teams के अंकल सूट पे बैठे होते थे और we are very into the process of everything, so I really wanted to see Farooq was used to cut and make and
when I'm designing I eat a lot of their brain.
yeah, and there were so many good options, like I did not know कि packaging में इतनी ज़्यादा options होती हैं.
It's really tough to come up with the ideas and then constantly gun them by into the back and forth on phone calls.
कुछ हो गया, ad भी बन गया, launch day भी decide हो गया, फिर मुझे लगा कि who will buy my product. The launch of the product was something that I would say is most. मैंने पहले भी हम लोग ने business launch किया है, like with the salon, but this was another ball game. We had decided to launch अपने head में everything we had decided plan किया हुआ था, but कुछ भी plan के accordingly नहीं चल रहा था because there was a lot of back and forth, and our launch actually got delayed by like 5-6 months from our original date, which was so frustrating. I remember it was like, I think सबसे frustrating time period जो एक generally when you're starting something there are delays, things don't go your way, there are a lot of things that the mistakes you make, there काफी मसले आते हैं, but again you have to just keep going is what I learned from this. And 6 महीने का delay was a bit too much for us, and eventually both of us had to go and literally go and get me and Farooq because Madhiya was expecting, so she was literally इसका बच्चा deliver भी हो गया, so हमारा product नहीं आया, so the entire the timeline was so like frustrating that we also started like communication के थोड़े से issues आ रहे थे, तो me and Farooq we eventually decided कि we have to go and get the product out. So we went to our manufacturers, and that is when things got a little heated and were not very pleasant because both of us are, we went there and we were like, where is our product? Or kyun delay hai? Or, there were things that I could not disclose, kuch issues aa rahe the with their communication. Or when we went there, we had to test like the first few samples of our product, and
There were problems.
there were problems with the product.
Things got heated and then eventually we managed to get.
Things got cheated to the extent that they got so offended कि हम लोग इतनी चीजें देख रहे हैं, but again
That's not really our fault.
yeah, that is something.
People act stupid.
I remember you guys telling me कि he said कि I've never experienced so much detail in like.
Yeah, because that's just stupid manufacturing behavior. It happens a lot.
Yeah, so फिर मुझे realize हुआ during our visit के things तो heat up हो रही हैं और I can't be someone who can create a problem because हम पैसे तो सारे हमारे फंसे हुए हैं. और
Yeah, because people when they mess up, they try to cover it up with stuff. But long story short, it was a tough situation where we got out of it and we got the product.
we
And
managed to bring the product, and
Yeah.
we did it amicably, or we still like.
it was also just one part of the launch. Then it was the DVC, the launch, how to. That was a whole other work.
Yeah, so now
So
we
this thing never stops.
yeah, so once the product was here, we had to like, make a DVC, make an ad for the product. Two DVCs, we made 2 DVCs, and again, we had a great team for that. I think Farooq, you will be more.
We were lucky to find a good team, yeah, and that made it possible. We did one stretch and shot 2 product DVCs.
I mean, I've never seen a makeup product have such a nice DVC, and everybody was like, "Wow, ये कौन सी film shoot हो रही है?"
तो मजा आया था क्योंकि हमारी टीम अच्छी थी, बस बहुत बनना बड़ा मुश्किल होता करना, तो hats off to the people that were with us on the project, and they were also very supportive and patient. Yeah, I was really happy. You're not usually happy with that teams on shoots, but I was happy.
We were happy, yeah. They literally aligned with the vision we had with portraying the product, like किस तरह हमने करना है. And then again, the face of our brand, Maham, she was a perfect person because she was also part of like selecting one of our shades for the product. I was so glad that we could align our schedules and she could be part of my first launch, and she did a great job. I'm very thankful for.
I think it all like when you look back, the dots disconnect. Like part of your journey eventually are there when the finale, you know, the DVC that Farooq had envisioned. I think the only person who could enact it out would be Maham, and you know, with her shoot dates and a very busy schedule, she made herself.
करना था ना, can't
टाइम भी था बिकॉज प्रोजेक्ट इतना ज्यादा डिले हो गया हुआ था, यू नो, द शूटिंग एंड यू नो फाइनलाइजिंग एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम द क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस टू मेकिंग इट हैपन एंड देन यू नो लॉन्चिंग कैंपेन की वीडियो. आई रिमेम्बर उसका लिटरली हम लोग ने जब लॉन्च किया था वो भी हैड अ वेरी टाइम क्रंच हो गया. सो एंड इन द एंड एवरीथिंग वर्कड आउट. अगेन देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ पैनिक अटैक्स बट you know,
I guess, yeah, you just keep pushing forward. Here's the link.
link एड भी बन गया, लॉन्च डे भी डिसाइड हो गया. फिर मुझे लगा कि who will buy my product. लाइक मुझे इतनी टेंशन होना शुरू हो गई कि चलो हमने सब कुछ कर लिया. मुझे था कि people buy my product, कि लोग खरीदेंगे. The nervousness then was to like just before the launch days, so मुझे था कि nobody will buy my product. Like इस तरह की thoughts आ रही थी, कौन खरीदेगा. But then I remember I was talking to one of my brides. I was doing her makeup and she was asking, and I know a lot of my clients knew that because मैं use कर रही थी उनके ऊपर products. So this bride, I would remember, remember she said, like, I was just talking to her, I was talking के मुझे बहुत stress हो रही है launch की कि कोई खरीदेगा या नहीं खरीदेगा. And she was like, I would buy your product, I would buy it right now and I would pay like उस amount मुझे बताई कि I would pay anything for the product, I trust you. And like she gave me a pep talk that I did not know I needed, and I did something that I would not recommend people to do, and I know a lot of my like the people around me were not happy with that decision. I started like selling my lipsticks to my brides, or before the launch, they were so like excited. My clients, they started buying the lipsticks for me. I told them to keep it a secret, but I remember after the first purchase, it was just like, oh, acha, pehli jab maine nikali before the launch, and the feedback that I got and the positivity that my clients gave me, like made like it was such a like, you know, relief. Okay, after that we initially launched online and we launched in our salon, and we like had people coming in salon mein, people came and they tried the products haath mein. Online a lot of people gave such amazing feedback on our video, and then you know they ordered, or मेरे पास so many people who wanted the product internationally. And I remember उस time भी a lot of my friends were traveling. कोई UK जा रहा था, कोई उस वक्त दुबई जा रहा था, और कोई उस वक्त तो अमेरिका जा रहा था. So I literally first few orders, I literally got them hand delivered with the hand notes. I sent them with my friends, and I was so excited that people who were living abroad were interested in buying our product, and that meant so much. Abhi bhi we delivered to Dubai, and I've been getting such great feedback, and you know, they have access to all kinds of makeup, but the support that they gave me and the trust that they built in us, like, I think meant a lot. I was not expecting that, but thank you so much, guys, for the first few orders that we got, and the first orders that came in, the first purchases, they're always the most important ones. And you know, the first international orders, the first in salon, the first online purchases, they like make a huge difference. They're always the most important. And
you tell us about the launch day, and when we launched we were not expecting so many orders to come in.
Yeah,
they didn't. And I think that's because we had also created a little hype about it to let people know that we're launching. And so
honestly, I was not expecting. मुझे था कि लोग बस इधर के खरीद लेंगे, मुझे बाहर के लोगों का interest.
वो वैसे that came as a very, very nice.
Yeah, it was so nice to know that people are interested, and I'm
to boost the confidence. Initial anxiety.
वो जो very stress था, वो सारा जो एक panics or anxiety idea के international standard के साथ में. So I always wanted in my head, in our heads we always wanted it to be a global brand. I don't know where this journey goes, inshallah, with all the support that we have. The Alliance have been always the one that push us. I mean, apart from 4 of us pushing each other, it's actually the clients who always give you that boost. Yeah, उनके अंदर जो मेरे लिए confidence and that push
to see the passion that you have for makeup and beauty.
So I'm so thankful. Inshallah, हम लोग इसको एक global brand budgets के God give us the budgets. अभी हम खुद investors हैं. We're doing everything ourselves. We don't have like a investor, but I'm so glad that we are part of like each and every process. That it was a great learning experience. This is our product. This is all the hard work and the process and the journey behind the product. And इसको जितना हम छोटा करके आप
बता सकते
बता
थे,
सकते थे,
बताया।
मैंने बताया कि
I
इससे
have-
पहले फारूक
I have a flight to catch, so I'm going to go. Zara and Nadia are going to continue with this and tell you other things that are left off. So excuse me. have
Thank
a
you
fun
so
time.
much for
And
thank you
for listening
listening,
to us.
and thank you so much guys for listening. I hope it helped, and
You guys should continue with the rest of the stuff that is left.
so for the PR packages, we started like obviously designing like a PR package with like all the elements of, you know, self-care, self-love. And I remember Madiha and Farooq, they literally hand packed all the PR packages. It was like Christmas and we had like this theme of, you know, giving like Christmas gifts and New Year's का हमने एक theme रखी भी थी. और I remember it was a very stressful, it's very personal. It's stressful. We wanted it to be very specifically packed or, you know, placed, and we were actually like putting all the products ourselves.
We also like Sarah was coming up to me and Farooq and telling me, you know, there are companies who do that, and why doing it yourself? But because we wanted to be, I don't know why we. अब मैं अब सोचूं कि हम क्यों खुद पैक कर रहे थे. I think when you have such emotional attachment with your brand and you're so passionate about it, and that whatever the work comes up, it doesn't feel like work. And that's one of the reasons why, even though there are companies that exist to do the packaging and the fitting of the PR package, we did it ourselves and we did it.
So
Because
all our PR packages were packed by Badia and Farooq specifically. And, because, you know, it's like wake final stage होती है आपने उसको करना. It was a personal like process that I think everybody wants to be a part of. And thank you all my influencer community, all my friends who have been there with me in my journey since day one when I started this makeup journey. And they were very supportive, and, you know, online जो मुझे सारा love मिला है और सारी support मिली है, thanks to all of them to, like, you know, come out, and without any questions they were like there. And I did not need to I did not need to hire somebody. I initially did think of hiring, but then eventually I know so many of the people are my friends. They're my personal, you know, connections, and I wanted them to be a part of this launch. And I'm so grateful that I'm surrounded by such, like, you know, amazing, talented people, and they have seen me since the start, and, you know, they've seen our journey and our growth. So it was also a full circle moment that the people I started off with are like, even
who used to come in our basement for like,
yeah, from my basement, from my house, they've been coming to me, and now they're like trying my makeup products. So I'm very thankful to them for always supporting me without any questions.
So to celebrate all the, I mean, it's the beauty is an ongoing journey, ZG Beauty. But to celebrate the success, we thought we'll have a party, and we didn't want to do like every, you know, run of the mill launches, जिसमें बहुत सारे आप एक स्पेसिफिक काइंड का आप इवेंट करते हो जिसमें लोग आते हैं और बस वो तस्वीरें खींचते हैं और फिर आप बस प्रोडक्ट रखते हो, वो देखते हैं और चले जाते हैं. We wanted something which is very personal and intimate, because that's and it's something we wanted to celebrate our community as well, and who people have been always supporting, who's like Sarah said, they are individuals who stand out important in the society, and yet they came to support us. So we decided to have a ZG Beauty soiree. The soiree word came from like an evening party where people used to gather and, you know, meet and discuss things and, you know, support each other. And that's, I think, which ZG Beauty also stands for, is like everybody has their own individual personality, but they all are one when it comes to self-love and self-confidence and being, you know, understanding, having self-empathy is very important, I feel. So we started off with the soiree party, and I remember at that time Valentine's was very close by. So we wanted to do something which was a celebration of yourself, and that's why we kept a theme of Valentine's. And I remember got in touch with the Bistro,
Yeah, Bistro Noir was, I think, the perfect space for like my first launch. And, you know, it will always be special because it was a perfect setup for, you know, celebrating yourself. The theme was self-love.
I think when we were discussing that what should be our tagline, हम सोच रहे थे क्या करें, because it was about shades and it was about self-love. Focus was on me and Zara because we had to come up with the tagline. And when then Farooq just said, the perfect shade is you.
Yeah.
That's how our tagline started.
So I feel that is when we came up with the tagline, and something that brought the brand together is the perfect shade is you.
Yeah.
So,
And then we curated the whole space according to it. We had drinks that had like lipstick, what do you call swatches?
like we were there, like team was so
Yeah.
on, and like I am so glad we were able to. I have not met like a team as professional as them. They delivered, like they made customized drinks, they made like dessert flavors, curated entire like specialized menu, and you know, a sit down dinner with
Very engaging because it was a sort of like a space that people were not just coming for the pictures. Obviously, that was amazing part, but we had very interactive section as well. That we wanted people to, all the community that was coming to support us, they were, you know, engaging with it, and they were their own magazine cover, they were their own application, the way they use lipstick and how it makes them feel, and you know, different like small games that we did. So it was a lot of fun activity, and something that I think that is something that as individuals we represent as well. It's not the conventional things do not work for us. We want something which is more out of the box.
Yeah.
Farooq also set up like an art space of
yes.
of our experience room that we called, which I'd seen it internationally, but we gave it our own twist. And अभी तक अब उसके बाद से मुझे नजर आने शुरू हुए हैं बहुत सारी इस तरह की activity, which is very nice. But it was something that you are experiencing the product in different way that you are the art. That's where the lipstick and the individual connects, because when we talk about lipstick, the idea is that it is a time that you take out for yourself, and it's your me time. It's whether it's you're checking it in your rear mirror, whether you're doing it in your, you know, some restaurant, restroom, or in your personal car or your washroom. It's something that you do for yourself, and it's something that makes out the, you know, brings out a smile on your face. So we wanted to inculcate that spirit into the event.
So everybody had a great time.
So at GG Beauty, we're working on more products, and inshallah we will be creating more mindful and, you know, more good quality products for you all. But this one will always be special. This is the start of our makeup products journey, and I'm very thankful for everybody who made the purchase, who refers our products, you know, who buys our products again, and you know, travels with them and talks about them. I'm so thankful for you.
Some of you have said that we have stopped using other lipstick. I know there are like really loyal clients, but some of you who said that we have stopped using other lipstick and we're using yours only, and you send us pictures of your makeup bag. It just, you know, energizes us to move forward, motivates us in ways that you don't even know. Like, it's just something that brings a smile on our face and gives us
to
the
help
boost.
us move forward with
Yeah.
the brand, and you know that we're doing something right. And thank you so much. I'm so glad that we're part of your makeup bags, and I continue and promise to provide you with high quality and products that you're proud to call a Pakistani brand. Like,
Yeah, they're infused with good skincare and high quality and a lot of emotional, you know, support with a lot of people. Not a lot of people, but a small team which has a dream to go big.
yeah. So anytime you're applying my lipstick, I hope that your day is, you know, fulfilled with good things, positive things. And I'm so glad that I can be a part of a very small getting ready session of yours. And it means a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you.